फ्रेंड्स, मैं अपने एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहा हूँ और उसी की ड्राइंग मैंने खोली हुई है। तो ये उसकी स्ट्रक्चर ड्राइंग है। एक्चुअली ये एक 2 स्टोरी विला है, और जो कि बेसमेंट, ग्राउंड फ्लोर, फर्स्ट फ्लोर एंड रूफ टॉप मींस रूफ टेरेस पर मुश्तमिल है। तो आज का मेरा टॉपिक है लिफ्ट एलिवेटर। दिस इज द पैसेंजर लिफ्ट। द साइज ऑफ द लिफ्ट इज 180 to 2 meter. So in the structured details, you can see in the plan C10, all around there is C10. This is RCC column. All around mean on the four corner, and all around there is RW2 mean the retaining wall. So the lift size is also 2 meter into 180 means 1800 means 1 meter 80 centi. So this is the clear inner size. So now I will move to the basement structure drawing. Here is sections. You can see the section detail. I will show you the section detail as well. 101 ST08. This is the drawing reference. So now I will move to the ground floor. Here you can see the same in the ground floor, mean the basement top slab. There will be the beam. These are the concealed beam. And then I will move to first floor. Same lift is going to the first floor as well. And this is, you can see the rooftop. Here is no lift because on top not required. So now I will move to the uh, section detail 101. You can see section detail 101. So here you can see these are this has shown to ground improvement. So already the hard starter was there. So we have done the plate load test, and after that there will be the blinding concrete, mean the PCC plain cement concrete 50 mm. Then there will be the 4 mm thick proof waterproofing on top of the blinding. Then to avoid damage of the membrane shield, they put the drawing mentioned membrane with 50 mm thick protection screed. So then there will be the lift raft, mean the lift foundation with the 400 mm thick, the steel detail. You can see the bottom steel, both main and distribution bar both ways. 150 T16 150 center to center means 16 mm steel both ways, main and distribution bar. And top same T16 150 center to center both ways. So R2, this is the retaining wall, mean RCC shear walls. Here is as well, here is as well. So both ways, longitudinal bar T12 200 center to center both faces. And here the vertical bar T12 150 center to both faces. So uh, from the SSL, mean this is the SSL raft, this is the raft slab, and this is the SSL. From the SSL, the lift pit, mean the depth of this well is 150. It's mentioned. It's depend on the lift vendor. So these are the details on in the external side. You can see 4 mm thick membrane waterproofing with 3.5 mm thick bitumen impregnated board over FR paint. Actually, this is not 3.5. This should be 4 mm. And prior to application of the protection board, they should apply the FR paint. This is the SLO paint. So this is the lift detail. So you can see here the raft level from the ground floor, mean the benchmark, the raft level is minus 270. So from the, mean from uh, parking level to top of the raft slab is minus 270 down, because this is the basement. So I hope this video is useful for all of you. So the column detail I also show you. Here you can see the C10. See the C10. The ring is T8 at 200 mm center to center, 4 set, 1, 2, 3 and 4 with the links. And the vertical steel is T12, 12 T16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the size of the width of the wall is 200. The column length is 600. I mean, this is the L-shaped column. So hopefully this video is very useful for all of you. If there is any question, I will show you the section as well. So here you can see the lift section. This is the lift section. This is, you can see it, the lift section. So hopefully this video is useful for all of you. Thank you very much.